Good evening. It's 6 p.m. and I am Panmi bringing you bright side news of the day. With no let-up in surge of coronavirus cases in Odisha, the state government on Tuesday announced to initiate plasma therapy in some hospitals from July 15, that is tomorrow. Deep in the woods of Sankhajodi Forest Reserve under Ranpur Division in Nayagada, remains of a temple of Shaiva tradition with rich history and architecture of ancient Odisha has now come to limelight. No one knows much about its history, but folklore says Gangeshwar temple dedicated to Lord Shiva was built during the period of Ganga dynasty but was later desecrated by Kalapahar in the 13th century. Days after Bollywood director Ram Gopal Verma reintroduced Apsara Rani aka Ankita Maharana of Odisha to the world, RGV has now introduced another talent from the state who is likely to star opposite Apsara in Thriller. The CBSE will announce results of Class 10 annual examinations tomorrow. Yesterday, the board announced results of Class 12 examination of all streams. PS Aditya has appeared for 30 competitive examinations. Despite a series of failures, he did not give up. With All India rank 630, Aditya cleared the UPSC in 2018. He advised the students to never give up and keep on trying hard and hard. The Kaziranga National Park in Assam, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the largest home to the one-horned rhinoceros in India, was almost completely flooded on Monday when 13 rivers and tributaries flowed over the danger mark. As the flooding worsened, at least 51 wild animals were confirmed dead, 100 had been rescued and many tigers and rhinos strayed into nearby villages. The coronavirus pandemic will get worse and worse if government fail to take more decisive action, the WHO has warned. The Director General of WHO said measures such as social distancing, hand washing and wearing masks in appropriate situations needed to be taken seriously, warning that there would be no return to the old normal for the foreseeable future. No weddings, no silk supply and no demand for saris. Worries loom large for handloom weavers in Karnataka who are left wondering what the future holds for them in this coronavirus pandemic. A full-grown tiger was spotted resting in the middle of a flyover in Madhya Pradesh in a shocking video going viral online. The scene was captured by eyewitnesses who had to wait on the road as the tiger reposed. The big cat, however, did not attack anyone or harm any vehicles. Nepal Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli has claimed that India has created a fake Ayodhya and Lord Ram was originally from Nepal. He reasoned that a prince from a place that far away could not possibly come to Janakpur to marry Sita as there were no means of communication and easy transportation during those times. Prime Minister Boris Johnson is set to ban Huawei from Britain's 5G network on Tuesday, angering China but delighting US President Donald Trump by signaling that the world's biggest telecoms equipment maker is no longer welcome in the West. Thank you for watching and please visit our website www.karuakispeaks.com for more updates and please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.